welcome to the Pocket Door Workshop. Today we've got Jeff from Sugasuni visiting, and we wanted to show him how we blended his system into this slat wall. So let's take a look and see what we got here. Maybe we can tell you what the work
is. Alright, this is our MFU 1200 system. It's a completely concealed hidden door. You'll see it has a rail that sticks about 7 7/8 inch back on the header. What this allows is to have you sleek, completely hidden door on the outside. It does push inward and soft open. It doesn't have to go into a pocket, but it does on this example. You can go either way. It's completely flush with the wall when closed. Great for concealing with different slat walls or any decorative paint or any sort of creative ideas you may have. It does do great for hidden closets, in this case in the bathroom. When it does soft open, it'll go back into this pocket, or in some cases you don't really need a pocket. It can be almost like a barn door hybrid. When you close it, it will soft close shut and pull itself back flush with